If you're seeing the Claude error that says upload failed due to a network issue, check your internet connection and try again, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common issue when uploading files into Claude, and the good news is that most of the time it can be solved in just a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and AI tutorials. Let's get into it. First, close the file you're trying to upload. One of the most common reasons for this error is that the document is still open in another program, like Word, Excel, or even a PDF editor. If the file is open somewhere else, Claude may not be able to access it properly. This becomes even more important if your file is synced through cloud storage like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, because the sync process can sometimes lock the file or interrupt the upload, so make sure the file is fully closed everywhere before trying again. Next, rename the file. Claude can sometimes struggle with file names that include special characters, symbols, extra punctuation, spaces, or underscores. For the smoothest upload, keep the file name simple and clean. Use only letters and numbers if possible. For example, instead of a long, complicated file name with dashes and symbols, rename it to something short and easy to read. Once you've done that, try uploading the file again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. Now, if you're a pro or team user, there's another very useful workaround. Instead of uploading files directly into the chat, try using projects and uploading the file into the project knowledge base. This can help bypass upload limits and avoid random glitches that sometimes happen in the regular chat upload flow. Projects are often more stable for larger files or repeated document use, and they can make your workflow a lot smoother. So if the direct upload keeps failing, this is definitely worth trying. Another important step is to check the Claude status page. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. Visit the official Claude status page at status.claude.com and see if there are any system-wide issues, outages, or degraded performance. If Claude is experiencing upload problems across the platform, then the issue may resolve on its own once the service is back to normal. That's why it's always a good idea to check status before spending too much time troubleshooting locally. If you've gone through all of these steps and the error still appears, try refreshing your browser, clearing your cache, or switching to a different browser to rule out a temporary session issue. But in most cases, closing the file, simplifying the file name, using projects, and checking the status page will fix the problem. So let's quickly recap. First, close the file in any other app, especially if it's syncing to cloud storage. Second, rename it using only letters and numbers. Third, if you're on pro or team, upload it through projects and the knowledge base. And fourth, check the Claude status page for any service-wide issues. That's it. You now know how to fix the Claude upload failed due to a network issue error. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more AI troubleshooting guides, and drop a comment if you want help with another Claude error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.